Ano ba tong cellphone ko? Hindi magbukas ng maayos, naglolo ko. Ano sa English ang naglolo ko sa sentence na yan? If a phone, a laptop, or a computer is not working properly, you can use the phrasal verb act up. In Filipino, naglolo ko, or hindi gumagana ng maayos. It could also mean glitch or malfunction. My phone is acting up. It won't turn up properly. My phone is glitching. It won't turn on properly. My phone is malfunctioning. It won't turn on properly. Now, yung act up, yung phrasal verb na act up can also be used when you talk about or when you describe a child that is misbehaving or is behaving in an unusual way. In Filipino, nagtotopak. My kids act up when they're tired and hungry. Nagtotopak ang aking mga anak kapag sila ay pagod at gutom.